Today I share with you how to cook Nigerian tilapia stew. This is everything you need to try right now. It was so easy to get done, and at the same time it's everything you need to eat with your family. The process I used to get this done, everyone need to follow this process. To begin, I'm going to be needing pepper mix. Over here we have onions, hot pepper. I'm going to separate the hot pepper and onions and garlic together and keep it aside. For the bell pepper and tomato, I'm going to blend everything together like this. So over here is the hot pepper and onions, then keep it aside. So now we have tilapia fish. I make use of three. I get that slice like this, then wash that with clean water. So that is me just adding a cup of water to get that to wash very nice. So after washing everything, I'm going to transfer that back inside this pot. So are you asking me what you are doing here? Just calm down. So now that I'm done, I'm going to take in the pepper and adding just 1 spoon of it. Then now I'm going to be adding fish seasoning. So this is specially made for fish. Next I'm going to be adding is salt. Then next I'm going to be adding is Maggi seasoning. Then adding 1 nut cube, and then what I do now is to add in 1 cup of water. Then stir everything together. Oh my goodness, this is just so perfect. So all you do now is to transfer this to a heat to do the job. So this fish is going to cook for 30 minutes, and 30 minutes later, look at that. See how gorgeous this look. Are you going to fry your fish without not cooking it? So here is the stock from fish, because this stock means a lot. So now you are going to separate the fish from the stock. All you do now is to transfer that back inside a hot oil like this, because we are going to fry it now, and it's still going to fry and come out amazing. Oh my goodness, this fish not scatter. Like when you come to say, if I cook and now you can't scatter. No, just follow this process, calm down, and it's going to be everything nice. At this point I'm done frying the first batch. Look how gorgeous this look. It fries so nice, it scents so amazing. The flavor that it comes with is just so massive. Look at that. I keep it aside. Now I'm going to be adding the last batch. So this is me adding that. At this point I'm done frying it. See how beautiful that look. This fish is everything nice. All I do now is to bring everything out and keep it aside. Now you are going to use the same oil to get the pepper fry, that is tomato fry. Before that, I'm going to stream it, then adding onions, and then adding the pepper that remain. Fry that like 10 to 15 minutes until you have something like this. And at this point, you are going to add in the tomato. I just pour everything in, then stir together. So guys, this is just so simple to get done. You don't need to first of all get that cook before you proceed. You can get everything done like this. Add in 3 nut cube, and then I season with this stew seasoning, then adding salt to taste, and then stir together. So for this stew seasoning, it comes from Odogun food, and it tastes so amazing. So at this point I'm going to cover that to cook for 40 minutes until I come back. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is 40 minutes later. Look at this stew. See how beautiful this stew looks. See how beautiful this can taste. It was so nice. It cooked so amazing. So this is now I'm going to be adding the fish. Oh my god, just pour everything in at this point, then adding the meat stock, that is the fish stock. Okay, so there we have the fish stock. I add everything and then stir together. So guys, if you follow this process, we are going to get 100% tilapia fish stew, and it's going to be so delicious. Now I'm going to cover that to do the final job. Look at that. At this point I'm done off the heat. Like I don't offer because my stew don't cook. It cooks so nice. The fish, the stew, everything just penetrates inside, and it was so delicious. So this is me getting this done, and it was everything you need to try. Follow this process to make this tilapia fish by first of all cook it the same way I cook mine before you can go ahead to fry it, and it's going to give you this amazing and gorgeous stew outcome. And when you are eating this fish, it's going to taste as if what is happening here, it's too sweet, like it's too sweet. So if you try it, you are going to confirm what I'm saying. When you follow this process, just enjoy that with anything of your choice. For me, I get that enjoy with white rice. It sweets me so nice, and this is the fish. I like the way I process the fish. Like it sweets me so much, and I just love the outcome. In my next one, bye.